Welcome to the Terraform Foundations part of the course. In this section, we'll be exploring a bit of the origin story of HashiCorp and Terraform, and learn all about the foundational building block concepts that make up Terraform. We'll be taking a look under the hood of how Terraform works, understanding the HashiCorp configuration language, or HCL, and getting familiar with Terraform documentation resources available. We then take a look at Terraform files and directories, dive into the Terraform command line interface, or CLI, and we also get an introductory understanding of Terraform state, providers, resources, and lots more. So let's get started.